I just want you to know that throughout it all, it's only you that stuck by me. And for that, I thank you. It's only you. Throughout it all.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another synthetic headband wig review. Now, I did receive this wig from a store on Amazon. I believe it was Aisi Beauty, so you guys know I've been working with them a lot lately, like non-stop. So I really do appreciate them for always reaching out to me and asking me to review some of their products. But according to Amazon, the brand is like or Sunsur. I'm not too sure, but I will get into details a little bit later on in the video. Now, if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I usually show you guys the construction of the wig, then I let you guys know a little bit about the wig and the company as far as like details, then I let you guys know my final thoughts. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Now, as you guys saw from the previous clip, I showed you the construction of this wig. This wig has 3 combs, one in the front and one on each side. There's no comb in the back. Of course, it had the black strap that you put the headband on top, and then this is the headband that they sent me. So this is how the wig looks. Okay, once again, it's synthetic. The color is a 2. So I've said this in another video how it's like giving me a jet black shade, and if you guys are familiar with synthetic hair, most of the time it looks like real silky and shiny. This is not as shiny as it might look on video, so I really do like it. It is shedding a little bit, and like I said, it's tangling up. So that is really like the main thing that it's doing is tangling up. Now it says it's 22 inches. I'm not too sure. It's giving me more of like a 20-inch, to be honest with you, and it retails for $27.99 on Amazon. So make sure you guys check the description box below, where I will leave the link and any details that I need to leave about this wig. But I do like the wig. Y'all know I have nothing against synthetic hair, especially when it comes to these headband wigs, because the headband wigs are super, you know, on the go, fast, quick, and all that stuff. So I do like it. I just don't like the fact that it's tangled up, but like I always say, it's synthetic. It's really nothing to be shocked about. So this is how it looks in the front. This is how it looks on the side. This is how it looks in the back. And this is how it looks on the other side. So I do want to thank Aisi Beauty or whomever that reached out to me and asked me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it, and I hope to continue to work with them again in the future. But that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this headband wig, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.